Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Lexus RV aims to blend Lexus' renowned style with the independence and adaptability of RV travel. The final objective was to provide an unparalleled travel experience with an emphasis on comfort, sustainability, and state-of-the-art technology. External appearance: the sleek Lexus design aesthetic is reflected in the contemporary aerodynamic external appearance. The distinctive L-shaped LED headlights are responsible for the powerful, modern design. The cabin is filled with as much natural light as possible thanks to large panoramic windows. Flared fenders and carbon fiber components improve off-road performance. Interior design: a roomy and opulent interior with touches of leather and fine wood, among other materials. A living area furnished with a chair, a smart TV, and a cutting-edge entertainment system. A fully furnished kitchen with a coffee machine, dishwasher, refrigerator, and induction burner. This cozy master bedroom has climate control, ambient lighting, and a comfortable mattress. A bathroom featuring high-end ceramic finishes, a stone sink, and a rain shower. Making use of smart home technology, which enables voice or touch screen control of lights, temperature, and multimedia. Technology: the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 has cutting-edge features like driving assistance and 360-degree video. Multi-link, intricate infotainment system. Off-grid elements like rooftop solar panels and a battery storage system. Performance and engines: by selecting hybrid or all-electric drivetrains, Lexus demonstrates its dedication to sustainability. The best choice for a range of driving conditions is all-wheel drive AWD air suspension that can be adjusted for a more comfortable ride. In conclusion, by combining comfort, style, and cutting-edge technology, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome redefines luxury travel.